Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about aerial disinfection, indoor facilities disinfection, and the product which we are going to use is ANOSAN Eco. For that, no special precautions required, no waiting after applications, no cleaning or evacuation required. This is how we can spray ANOSAN Eco in all indoor facilities. This can be used in different kind of foggers. One of that fogger is in front of you. It's called as Vector Fogger C150 Plus. With this fogger we can spray the disinfectant on all surfaces, top of surfaces, below the surfaces, furniture, walls, hard to reach areas. As you can see in the video, up to the top roof. As the pressure reaches to the different areas where it's hard to reach, you can see how comfortably the disinfectant is being sprayed. This is ANOSAN Eco. We will go through the details, and this is so safe that even you can spray in the kitchen utensils. This is ANOSAN Eco, which kills 99.99% of bacteria, virus, fungus and spores. ANOSAN is non-toxic disinfectant and deodorizer. It's free of alcohol, aldehydes, dyes and scents. It's hypoallergenic and non-irritant. Its pH is neutral. It's cost and time effective with no evacuation necessary and immediate disinfectant.